today with Thomas Hogenhaven, managing partner of Planetary, an evergreen investment vehicle based in Denmark.
So I talked to the most progressive founders I could find, and a lot of them, if not all of them, they said that they didn't really like taking in investors with a 7 or 10 plus 2 years time horizon, because they knew they would be sold and they wouldn't really be in control about who would own them. And if we get too big or get too many LPs that don't truly believe that, then it will be impossible for us to have that role. So we'd rather have less money, but from LPs who actually really want to support and push us to be more radical in a good way. A year and a half ago, no one would touch us because of the Evergreen Fund. Some of them are getting back now and saying, oh, okay, maybe that's not really a blocker. If we like everything else, then let's look at that. So I think there is a shift there, and
interesting. Yeah.
And some of the American VCs, like I think is it Sequoia?
Sequoia set up an Evergreen.
Yeah, and that really helped, shifting the narrative. And so right now we see the economy as something that's sort of transcending life. It's something even more fundamental than life, something that's on a very special level in our society, that we care so much about our economy and GDP, and sort of life is in service of our economy, that we need to take care of our economy first, and then the rest will follow. And we don't think that's the right way to look at it. So we want our finance and our investments to be in service of life and not the other way around. So we use money to support the life and health ecosystems, and not try to monetize them or be extractive of those, but vice versa. But and that's sort of what we need to flip. That we need to generate a return, but it's not the most important thing. It's not why we're doing this. It's a means to an end, and not the other way around. I think the first step is to understand what returns means for them, because economic returns is one thing they're looking for, but it's maybe not. It's certainly not the only one, and it might not be the most important one. But you need some focus points about what's important to you. Try to get rid of reductionism and understand that this is very, very complex.